Hello everyone, myself Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Welcome back. Today I would discuss the changes made in the question paper of economics for the board examination paper of 2021 CBSE examination. As you already know that CBSE has released the sample question paper as well as the marking schemes of all the subjects for class 12 as well as class 10th also. 10th students may also go through that part. तो 10th और 12th दोनों का सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर और साथ साथ मार्किंग स्कीम भी रिलीज कर दिया गया है. देयर आर सर्टेन चेंजेस मेड फॉर दिस 2021 board examination paper so far as economics paper is concerned. So let's have a look at those changes made in the questions paper as released by the CBSE. That is a sample question paper released by the CBSE that contains certain changes that is very much different from the questions that were asked in the previous years. Let's have a look for those features that is in the question paper released by the CBSE. As you all know, the total number of questions would be 34. There is no changes made. Total 34 questions ही होगा जैसे पहले आता था. 17 questions in the macroeconomic section and 17 questions in the Indian economic development. Number of questions is different. 1 marks, 2, 3 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks का जो क्वेश्चंस का जितना नंबर था पहले आज भी उतना ही है. उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं है. उसके बारे में कोई डिस्कस नहीं करने जा रहा मैं. बस जो चेंजेस आया है इस बार का जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होगा एज पर द रिलीज सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर वुड बी अ मिक्सचर of very straight question as well as applied questions based on certain current issues, particularly the COVID pandemic era जिस एज में भी हम जी रहे हैं. तो कोविड से रिलेटेड जो इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशंस आएगा उस पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी हो सकता है इस बार एज पर द रिलीज सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर बाय द CBSE. तो फर्स्ट जो चेंजेस मेड है इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में वो हमारा क्या है, पहली बार केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस वुड बी आस्क्ड. जैसे BST बिजनेस स्टडीज वगैरह में जो आता रहा है कुछ समय पहले वो वहाँ भी फर्स्ट टाइम स्टार्ट हुआ था. अ केस स्टडी वुड बी देयर, अ पैराग्राफ और अ स्टेटमेंट इज सिंपली मेड इन दैट क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड यू हैव जस्ट टू मीन्स answer a certain number of questions. So case based questions would be asked for the first time in this board 2021 examination for the economics paper. These questions would be in total 8 questions होगा जिसमें 4 questions होगा मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में और 4 questions होगा इंडियन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में. मतलब 4 दोनों सेक्शंस में होगा. सेक्शन ए मैक्रो, सेक्शन बी दैट इज इंडियन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. 8 क्वेश्चंस, ऑल द 8 क्वेश्चंस वुड बी ऑफ 1 मार्क्स ईच. 1 मार्क्स का होगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दोज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. अ सिंपल पैराग्राफ इज गिवन. एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ होगा and on the basis of that paragraph you have to answer the 4 questions just given below the paragraph, and those questions would be of multiple choice questions or fill in the blanks type questions. Fill in the blanks type of questions may maybe options would be given for you or may not be. There is an option to fill in those blanks. Both type of questions may be there. So far as the sample paper released is concerned by the CBSE, that those fill in the blanks questions contains options. Means options are given, then it will also be easier for you. But the question arises how to score in those questions. Maybe of it is of 1 marks, but 8 marks is there. Out of 80, 8 marks means 10% part is that is CBD, CBQ. केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. सबसे बेहतर तरीका बनाने का क्या है, फर्स्ट गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस. सबसे पहले क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लो, देन रीड द पैराग्राफ and find out the answer of that questions by underlining those words in the paragraph. You don't have to waste time in first reading the paragraph and then reading the questions. Then for those answers you have to read again the paragraph. That is a simple sheer wastage of time. So don't waste time. Time management would be very, very useful for you because it will pay. It works and it will pay. new type of question, that is case based questions. One paragraph is given, on that paragraph 4 questions are given in each section. मतलब 2 पैराग्राफ 8 क्वेश्चंस होगा और वो एक एक नंबर का क्वेश्चंस होगा. पहली बार आएगा ये क्वेश्चन, अगर आया तो एज पर द रिलीज्ड सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर बाय CBSE. Second type of question, this is the first time, this is also the first time these type of questions would be asked in the examination paper. These type of questions are generally asked in the competitive examinations. Look at the board here. One is the assertion. A means statement. Any statement is given. R means reasons of this statement is given. कोई भी एक स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ है इकोनॉमिक और उसके नीचे उसका कारण लिखा हुआ रीजन A and R, and 4 options would be there, A, B, C and D. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा कि बोथ A and R are correct, है ना, and R is the correct explanation of A. Second option would be there कि A is correct, R is wrong. Third option is there कि A is wrong, R is correct. Fourth would be both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A means any statement. So for the first time in the question paper of economics, there would be a assertion reason pair questions. माने एक एक स्टेटमेंट होगा और एक रीजन होगा, ये भी क्वेश्चंस होगा एक एक नंबर का, ये 2 क्वेश्चंस होगा. एंड दीज 2 क्वेश्चंस मे बी आस्क्ड इन द इंडियन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट सेक्शन, दैट इज सेक्शन बी. ये सेक्शन बी में ये 2 क्वेश्चंस होगा, assertion रीजन पेयर क्वेश्चन टाइप, which are generally asked in the competitive examinations. For the first time it would be asked in the question paper of economics. And third part, in this era of COVID, that is pandemic era, there are certain questions or would be certain questions based on the current news published in the newspaper. I have to analyze the situation accordingly on the basis of the statements given in the question, and then you are required to suggest some certain policy measures to correct that situation, that in the economy due to any situation. Suppose any statement is given and on that basis it can be inferred that it refers to a situation of deflation in the economy, that is a situation of deficient demand that creates a deflationary gap in the economy, and then you are required to suggest how to correct that situation of deficient demand or how to reduce the deflationary gap in the situation. Such type of questions would be asked in this 2021 paper, maybe as per the released sample question paper by CBSE. That is the third part, the third new type of questions that would be in the question paper of 2021 economics paper. And the fourth one, that is the matching column questions. लास्ट ईयर से जैसे आ रहा था वैसे इस बार भी आएगा, एक एक नंबर के सेक्शंस में वो भी होगा, लेकिन न्यू सेगमेंट में एक हमारा क्या होगा 6 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन इस बार सेगमेंट्स में होगा, मतलब वो 2 पार्ट 3 पार्ट में होगा. सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज ऑफ 6 मार्क्स, तो दैट मे बी इन द पार्ट ऑफ 3+3, 2+2+2 और 4+2. गुड. Sign of relief for the students now. Q? Because you cannot now lose total 6 marks in those questions. I repeat, अब उसमें 6 नंबर पूरा गंवाने का चांस नहीं है. Why? Because now it would be in the 2 parts or 3 parts. Suppose if the question of 6 marks is in 2 parts, each part carries 3 marks. And you know the first part, don't know the second part, so you can simply gain 3 marks और 3 नंबर जाएगा, 6 नंबर पूरा का पूरा 0 नहीं हो जाए. I now repeat, 8 case based questions, 1 marks each, 4 in macroeconomics, 4 in Indian economic development section. ठीक है, ये सब एक एक नंबर का होगा, 2 पैराग्राफ पर बेस्ड होगा ये क्वेश्चंस. 2 क्वेश्चंस असर्शन रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होगा, ये भी एक एक नंबर का होगा, 2 क्वेश्चंस होगा. ये हमारा मे बी इन द इंडियन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट सेक्शन, दैट इज सेक्शन बी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द 3 or 4 marks. The questions based on the current issues. You have to suggest policy measures and the changes made in the 6 marks questions. The link for those questions released by the CBSE is already given in the description below. You just go through that link. Just click on the SQP, means sample question paper of the your means desired subject. उसी के ठीक सामने MS लिखा हुआ, मार्किंग स्कीम मीन्स आंसर्स of those sample paper. Go through those sample paper and have a look at the changes made in the question paper of your subjects for which you have to appear for the board examination. Now that's all about the changes made in the question paper. You prepare yourself accordingly as per the changes made. Would be, मैंने हमेशा बार बार कर रहा हूँ, would be changes, may not be, that is the simple discretion power of CBSE, but as per the sample paper question released by CBSE, these are the changes which you have to note down and prepare accordingly. See you in the next video.